Hi there folks, and welcome to this week's solutions for a very special edition of the Daily Rigour issue number 53. So it was on Sunday the 29th of May 2016 that we had our first ever issue. So this is our anniversary edition, and I'd just like to thank you all for the support over the last year, and I hope that you found these numeracy exercises useful in improving your skills. But anyway, enough about the sentimental stuff. Let's get on with the exercise. So we've got the value of fish landings in Scotland reach a record high, and it now stands at 563 million. So this is like a record. And mackerel is the most valuable stock brought to shore, and this accounts for 169 million of this total amount. So what percentage of Scotland's total fish holdings come from mackerel? We've to give our answer to the nearest percent. So to calculate a percentage, it's A divided by B times by 100. So the amount of mackerel, so you could put 169 million, but because the numbers are both in millions, you could just use 169 divided by 563, because this means 169 out of 563. This makes it a decimal. How do we make it a percentage? Well, of course, we multiply by 100. And if you do that into your calculator, you'll get 30.01 something. So of course, to the nearest percent, that's going to be as close to 30% as you can get. Okay, so on to our weather story now. So all over the UK, we've had absolutely glorious sunshine for the last few days. And of course, that's now going to be followed in Scotland, as you would expect, with heavy rain, flooding and thunder. So it was nice while it lasted, I suppose. Anyway, here's the temperature highs in Glasgow this week. What was the mean temperature in Glasgow? So to calculate the mean, that's that average that we're most familiar with. So what we've got to do is we've got to add all these numbers up. So we do 17, add 18, add 18, add 19, add 26, add 22, add 20. That gives us a total of 140. And then we divide by the number of numbers. And of course, there's going to be 7 numbers there because there's a week's worth of temperatures. And 140 divided by 7, of course, is 20. So the average temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. Not bad for May, but you never know. Maybe that was just our summer there. Anyway, so on to the entertainment story, and we're delighted to announce that our good friends at The Chase are now back on Monday at 5 p.m. And stay tuned on Monday for a wee special couple of Twitter posts to do with that. So we've got a wee conundrum here. How many episodes have been shown of The Chase altogether? So we've got to add up all the episodes in every series from 1 up to 11. So series 1, it tells you there's 10 episodes. So series 2 and 3 had 4 times as many episodes as series 1. So obviously 4 times 10 is 40. So series 2 had 40 and series 3 also had 40. And obviously we're just going to keep working up in this manner now. So we've got series 1 to 3. So now in series 4, so this had 50% more episodes than series 3. So 50% of series 3 is 20, and if we add that onto the 40, it gives us 60 episodes in series 4. So series 5 had double the amount of episodes as series 4, so that's easy enough. Double 60 is 120. Okay, series 6, 7 and 8 had a quarter more episodes than series 5. So here's series 5, a quarter of it is 30. And if we add the 30 on to 120, that's going to give us 150. So that's series 6, that's going to be series 7, that's going to be series 8. So series 9 and 10 each have the same number of episodes as series 1, 4 and 5 combined. Right, let's work this one out. So that's series 1, 10, series 4 is 60, series 5 is 120. So if you add all them together, that gives you 190. So that's 190 for series 9 and another 190 for series 10. So series 11, of course, it's in the middle of that just now, so that's going to be 20 less episodes than series 10. So if we take away 20 from that, that's going to give us 170. And all we have to do is add all these numbers up, and that's going to give us a total number of episodes of 1,270. And long may it continue. What a fantastic show. Okay, on to our last story. We've got sport. And according to Antoine Griezmann, the top scorer at the European Championships last year, been heavily linked with a move to Man United. And in his own words, he has a 6 out of 10 chance of joining Manchester United. So what is this probability? Is a fraction, a decimal, and a percentage? Well, 6 out of 10 is the fraction 6/10ths, but of course a fraction should always be written in its simplest form, and we can divide both those numbers by 2, so that's a fraction of 3/5. So what is this going to be? Is it decimal? Well, we could actually do the sum 3 divided by 5 if we don't know it, or we could do the sum 6 divided by 10, but either way that's going to come out as 0.6. And of course 0.6 is a percentage. Well, we multiply by 100, as we said earlier, to change a decimal to a percentage, and that's obviously going to be 60%. So 3/5, 0.6 and 60%. Anyway folks, there you have it, our word solutions for the Daily Rigour, issue number 53. And as I said, thanks for all the support over the past year, and here's to another year of the Daily Rigours. In the meantime, thanks very much for watching, and bye for now.